अच्छा जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 नवंबर 2019 पेपर 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 25। ठीक है जी। तो इन द डायग्राम बी इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ओ डी एंड ओ ए इज obviously ratio. AC is 1:2, 1:3. OA is A, OB. Now 1:3 means, if you need to understand this, you need to be very clear. So 1:3 means basically 1/4, and this will be 3/4. 1/4 and 3/4, because 1 plus 3 becomes 4. So 1/4 and 3/4. So can we just say that since we know OA, your OA is 1/4 of the entire OC, because the ratio is basically from what? O to C. This is breaking OC into OA and AC. आपका OC ब्रेक कर रहा है ना, OC की जो लाइन है वो OA और AC में ब्रेक कर रहा है, तो इसका मतलब उसको रेशियो को भी ब्रेक करेगा। तो आपको बता दिया OA क्या है, A। अगर OA A है तो 1/4 OC, तो मैं डायरेक्टली OC लिख सकता हूं, बिकम्स व्हाट 4A। तो ये डायरेक्ट आ गया OC, जो कि क्या बन जाएगा मेरे पास 4A। अगला पार्ट क्या बोल रहे हैं, CD निकाले जी। ठीक है, अगर मुझे CD चाहिए, अगर CD चाहिए, तो देयर आर टू वेज टू डू इट। नंबर वन, for CD I'll create a root, number one, right? The root will be CO plus OD. Remember that this entire line is 4A, and B is basically the midpoint. B is basically the midpoint, and OB is B. So if OB is B, then BD will also be B. So that means OD will be 2B. OD will be 2B in this direction. So we have what? CO, which will be negative 4A plus 2B. So we can write this as 2B minus 4A for what? CD. So CD becomes 2B minus 4A. This is even 1 mark, 2B minus 4A. Now, the real question starts here. P is the point on CD where CP is equal to 3/4 CD. Now this is P, is the point. The question is clear, very clear, that CP is 3/4 of CD. We already know CD is 2B minus 4A. So CP, to calculate CP, we can directly say, to calculate CP, this should be 3/4 of what? CD, which will be written as CP is equal to 3/4 of 2B minus 4A, right? And then we multiply this. So CP will become 3 2s are 6/4B, 3 4s are will become 12/4A. So CP will become 3/2B minus 3A. This will become 3/2B minus 3A. So CP, because we already found CD, this will be 3/2B minus 3A. But you needed to find AP. You had to find what? AB, which was your real question. So to find AP, if you note, to find AP, you need to go to AC and then CP. AC is 3A, not 4A, because this OC is 4A. We subtract A, so what we get is 3A. So we write down this thing as 3A. So 3A AP is basically AC and CP. AC plus CP, which means 3A plus 3/2B minus 3A. So in the end, what are we left with? We are left with 3/2B only. So AP becomes 3 upon 2B because 3A and 3A is cancelled out. Now, in the next part, it says AP is to BD. Now, AP we already know that 3 upon 2B, right? And what is BD? Your BD is B. Your BD is B. Your BD is B. So if B and B is cancelled out, so what are we left with? 3 is to 2. What are we left with? 3 is to 2. So AP is to BD will be 3 is to 2 ratio. What special type of quadrilateral is ABDP? A, B, D, and P. Since these are what? We can directly say this is what? Trapezium. This is what? Trapezium. Why? Because this is not currently known as what? Height. But knowing the fact that this is your line, and we can directly say that this can be connected with what? Trapezium in this shape. So this will be known as what? Trapezium for part 3. So this is November 2019, paper 1 question 25 and question number 21 from the book.